When I first moved to New York, I knew I will be in the city for good. This is home. But I also knew that this city will beat the shit out of me. And in order for me to sustain my love for New York, and New York to sustain its love for me, I have to kind of find these breaks to get away. I think anybody who is lucky enough to have a passion and end up having a livelihood around that passion, your relationship changes. I still love food and cooking, and I still want to continue to learn, but I think now obviously there's more expectation, there's deadlines, there are restraints. Cooking is definitely still a form of escape for me. I think when I'm in the kitchen, I'm able to kind of zone out. It's almost indescribable where I know exactly what my next move is, and I don't even need to think about it. I wish I could say I'm an expert at balance, but the truth is, I don't think anybody is. It is a constant battle for us human beings. I think it's important to kind of get out of your comfort zone, escape for a moment, and then fall back in love with that passion.